Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to draw a red angry bird. You're gonna need pencil, a multiliner, some markers, an eraser, another multiliner, maybe another pencil. Just kidding, let's get started. I'm going to start with drawing a big circle. Then I'm going to divide the circle to 4 parts. Now the center of my circle is where the 2 lines are meeting. And now from there I'm going to start my drawing. I'm going to start off with his eyebrows. They look like the letter V, but a little bit open. Now I'm going to draw his eyes. I'm drawing 2 half circles, since the other half is underneath his eyebrows. Now I'm drawing the beak, which is also overlapping part of the eyes. The top part of the beak looks a little bit like a triangle. As you can see, the bottom part is also shaped like the letter V. Now I'm drawing his belly, which later on I will erase because I didn't want to outline it. Now we're almost done. Just need to draw his hairdo, or should I say his featherdo? This part is a bit tricky for me because usually I would turn my sketchbook around, but for the video I want to keep it straight. So this is me struggling to get it right. Yep, I think we're done. For the inking I'm going to use a 0.5 multiliner. Later on I decided the line was not thick enough, so I used a different marker. I'm using a dust-free eraser by Faber Castell. I really like using it because it doesn't leave a lot of mess on my desk. I can easily pick up the pieces and throw them away. As I said before, I'm going to outline again with a thicker liner. That's it guys, we're done. All you have to do now is color it. You can use colored pencil, markers, pens, whatever you have at home goes. And don't forget to enjoy. Bye!